I developed really pretty decent skills in terms of business, but I hadn't really come to terms with the world exactly, and I was an unbalanced individual. I may still be, but she, Susie, really put me together, and she was the one that had the little watering can, and I was the seed in the soil. But it took the watering can from Susie to help me really grow up and mature. She was a wonderful person, and she believed in me. She put me together, and I would not have been. I would not only turn out to be the person I've turned out to be, but I would not have. I actually wouldn't have been as successful in business without that. She made me more of a whole person.